Okay, it's me. I got my stitches off. Still have a band-aid. So, I'm going to open up the Wen drill press that I got. Okay? I don't think you guys need to see me cut cardboard, so we'll just get past that. Okay? So, I'll be right back. Okay, had some technical difficulties. Here we go. Try again. So I got the base right here. This is going to be the stand I'm going to use. So the directions say that we're going to attach this to this. So now it's time for fast pace as I do it. Attaching table to column. Slide the table assembly. Table assembly. Okay, that looks about right. So I'm going to tighten it. I was afraid this was going to tighten it because I'm short. Okay. Okay. Drill press head to column. Warning, the drill press head is heavy. So it's supposed to use 2 people. We're going to see if we can do it 1 person. Okay, so I want that to be there. Oh, just pinched a boob. Okay, it's on there. And I did it by myself, and so. You still there? You're still there. I'm not sure if I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. I am going to put a glove on this hand because I am worried about this. Okay. I know, I was saying like I'm supposed to use like the grade 0 steel wool. No, it's not going to happen. So, retract all the jaws of the chuck all the way into the body. I don't even know what that means. Okay, let's see. Now it's the cup. Try to pull on it. pull on it. Am I supposed to pull on it? How do you pull on it? Okay, I can't pull on it, so I think it's in place. Okay. I said gently. Oops, I like pulled. Okay, so I got that there. Okay. I got it done. Okay, so next, you ready? We're going to install a drill bit. Wait, first I want to do the belt because I don't want it fast. I think I want to do it like at 400. But that like seems, it all seems really fast. This has it at 1530. Is that too fast? So yes, I think I'm gonna want like 110 the most. So I need to loosen this, right? Loosen this belt. Okay. Can you see the belt? Okay, so I'm loosening this here. So that was so I'm loosening the belt. It doesn't loosen it up. I feel like there's another one. Just want it. Okay, so that's there. I think that's better. This is kind of wonky though, isn't it? Yeah. It's just the top that's wonky. The rest of it is sweet. You notice that? At the top is like crooked. It's supposed to be crooked. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Another piece. Okay. Earmuffs on. Okay, so I stopped filming when I was in Cosmic Finals. I drilled the whole way through, so that works. So next I'm going to try the forstner bits. And I don't mean muffs. It's not loud either. So y'all know it's not loud. I am going to put this back here again because I worry about Robert.
She was hiding the spider from you guys. She knew where it was.
A spider?
The spider Lucas was looking for. What spider that you was looking for that day?
It's on the air filter machine. Yeah.
Well, I thought it was actually lost.
Okay. Okay, again, interruption. This time we're talking about a rubber spider. Okay, this shit. Okay, so this is going to go in here. Right. Tidy. Tidy. Now's the true test. So I got this on top. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust the belts. That's too fast. Okay, but that's enough. So what do I think? It was easy to assemble. It wasn't hard at all. This top piece was a little bit heavy, but not bad. I was able to do it on my own. The only thing I'm concerned about is the instructions for the belt. So I am going to YouTube University for that. It's set on the middle speed, which probably is good for most things, but I know that when I'm using bigger forstner bits, you need to have a slow speed. So I am going to figure out how to turn it down, put it down once I do the belt. So yeah, overall, happy with it. So, I think I'm good.